Hi everyone, welcome back to Hero Handmade Crochet. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to crochet a fun and easy granny square earring pattern. It's cute and refreshing design, perfect for summer or anytime you want a pop of color. So grab your hooks and let's get started. These are the materials I'm going to be using today. If you want to purchase them, you can check the links in the description box below. I have actually used the embroidery thread along with the 1.5mm crochet hook to make the earrings. But today in the tutorial I'm going to be using a thicker kind of yarn along with the 2.5mm hook for you to see the stitches clearly. Let's start with a magic ring. So wrap the yarn around your index finger 2 times. And then we will insert the hook into the ring. Yarn over, pull through the ring. Now we have a loop on our hook, yarn over and pull through the loop. Now we are ready with our magic ring. In the first round, we are going to chain 4, yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the first chain. Again, yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the second chain. Like that we will continue 3 and 4. And then we need to work 3 double crochets inside the magic ring. So yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through the ring. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through 2. This is a double crochet. Again, yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have completed 2 double crochets and this is the third double crochet. And then chain 2, 1 and 2 and work 3 more double crochets into the magic ring. 1, 2 and 3. After that, chain 2, 1 and 2, and then we will pull this tail a little to make the magic ring smaller and work another 3 double crochets into the magic ring. 1, 2 and 3. Again, chain 2, 1 and 2. Now I'm going to work 2 double crochets into the magic ring, 1 and 2. After that, we will pull the tail tight to close the magic ring like so. Now we are going to join the round with a slip stitch. We need to find the third chain from the starting point to work the slip stitch. We will count from the beginning stitch here. 1, 2, 3. This is the third chain. We need to insert the hook into the third chain. Yarn over, pull through the chain and pull through the loop. With that we have completed the first round. And then chain 1, leave a little tail and cut the yarn off. After that, I'm going to hide the tails by using the yarn needle like this. Now we will start with the round 2. I'm going to join the light pink color to start with round 2. Insert the hook into any one of the chain 2 spaces and then we will pull the light pink yarn through the space and then yarn over and pull through the loop. After that, chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now I'm going to work over the tail here so that it will get hidden inside the stitches. And we need to work 3 double crochets into the same chain 2 space. 1, 2 and 3. And then chain 1, and we are going to move into the next corner here. There we need to work 3 double crochets, chain 2 and 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3 double crochets, and then chain 2 and work another 3 double crochets into the same chain 2 space. 1, 2 and 3. Again chain 1, and we will go into the next corner and work 3 double crochets, chain 2 and 3 double crochets. Again chain 1 and complete the last corner here. There we need to work 3 double crochets, chain 2 and 3 double crochets. Again chain 1 and then work 2 double crochets into the starting space here. 1 and 2. After that we are going to join the round by working a slip stitch into the third chain from the starting point. This is the third chain. Yarn over, pull through the chain and pull through the loop. With that we have completed the second round. Chain 1, leave a little tail and we can cut the yarn off. After that we will use the yarn needle to hide the tail. This is what we have completed so far. We will get started with round 3. There I am going to join another pink color here. So we will insert the hook into any one of the chain 2 spaces at the corner and pull the new color yarn through the space, yarn over and pull through the loop. And I'm going to work over this tail on this round as well. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then work 3 double crochets into the same chain 2 space. 1, 2 and 3. Then chain 1, and I'm going to go into the chain 1 space here and work 3 double crochets into that chain 1 space. 1, 2 and 3. Again chain 1 and we will complete the next corner here. There we need to work 3 double crochets, chain 2 and 3 double crochets. 3 double crochets, chain 2 and work another 3 double crochets into the same chain 2 space. 1, 2 and 3. Again chain 1 and we are going to go into the next chain 1 space and work 3 double crochets into that. 1, 2 and 3. Then chain 1 and we will complete the next corner. Work 3 double crochets, chain 2 and 3 double crochets into that space. Now this is the pattern we need to repeat until the end of the round. Now I'm at the end of the round, and then we are going to work 2 double crochets into the starting space here, 1 and 2. After that, work a slip stitch into the third chain from the starting point. This is the third chain, and work a slip stitch, chain 1, leave a little tail, and we will cut the pink yarn off. After that, use the yarn needle to hide the pink tail like this. This is what it looks like. And then we are going to start with the outline of the work, that is round 4. I'm going to join another pink shade to complete the outline. So we will insert the hook into the first double crochet here in the set, and then pull the new color yarn through the stitch, yarn over and pull through the loop. Now we will work over this tail on this round as well, and work 1 single crochet into the same base stitch. And then we need to work 1 single crochet into each one of the next 2 stitches as well. So we will insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, work another single crochet into the next stitch as well. Now we reach the chain 1 space. There we need to work 1 single crochet into that chain 1 space. After that, work 1 single crochet into each one of the next 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. Then work 1 single crochet into the chain 1 space. Again, 1 single crochet into each one of the next 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. Now we reach the corner of the work. There we need to work 3 single crochets into the chain 2 space at the corner, 1, 2 and 3. This is the pattern we need to repeat. Work 1 single crochet into each one of the next 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. Then 1 single crochet into the chain 1 space and work 3 single crochets again. Like that, we will continue by working 3 single crochets at each one of the corners. Now I'm at the end of the work. After completing 3 single crochets at the corner, we are going to join the round. Leave a long tail for sewing, and you can cut the yarn off. We can use the yarn needle to join the round. So we will thread the yarn needle first. After that, I'm going to skip the first single crochet here and insert the needle into the second single crochet, and then insert the needle into the last single crochet too, and then we will hide the tail by running it through a few stitches like shown here. And then cut the excess piece of yarn. Now we have completed our granny square. Now I will show a comparison. I have done the same thing by using the embroidery thread as well. You can see the comparison of the sizes here. So depending on the material you are using, the size is going to be differ. After completing both the granny squares, we will see how to put all these pieces together to complete the earrings. We will take one of the jump rings, open it up using the pliers, insert that into a corner like this, and slide the second jump ring also in and secure that with the pliers. After that, we will take the hook ear wires, open it up using the pliers and slide it into the second jump ring like this and close it with the pliers again. Now we have completed one of the earrings. We will repeat the process to complete the second earring as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed making these granny square earrings with me. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more crochet tutorials and hit the notification bell so that you will never miss a new pattern. If you'd like to support my work, you can check out my Patreon or shop for materials using the links below. Happy crocheting and see you again.